Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, it's Yaki. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my famous flan. I've gotten a few requests to make this video because people really enjoy the flavor and the texture I get. The first thing you'll want to prepare is the sugar that goes at the bottom of the flan dish, which will eventually be the top of the dessert. In a stainless steel pot, put 2/3 of a cup of sugar on the heat to caramelize. After setting your flan dish to the side, fill up your kettle with water and bring it up to a boil. You'll be needing it for later. In a large bowl, start off by adding 1 can of condensed milk and 5 eggs. With a whisk or hand mixer, mix them together until they're well incorporated in order to get a really smooth texture. Adding a teaspoon or 2 of vinegar will remove the egg smell. After that, add the remaining ingredients, which are whipping cream, vanilla, and evaporated milk. If you don't have evaporated milk, you can use regular milk. To cook the flan, you will need a separate baking pan. Put the flan dish inside the new baking pan. Then carefully pour the flan mixture inside the flan dish. After that, pour the boiled water from the kettle into the baking pan. This is called a water bath, which will keep the air moist in the oven and will cook your flan evenly. Cook the flan for 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. Once you remove the flan out of the oven, you will need to set it aside for a few hours to cool down before putting it into the refrigerator overnight. Once you remove the flan from the fridge, you will need a knife to separate it from the dish. Take your time when doing this. You don't want to cut into the sides of the flan, but you also want to make sure your knife touches the bottom of the dish. Another way you can separate the flan from its dish is by placing it into another dish full of warm water. This will warm up the sides and the sugar. Take the dish you will be serving the flan in and put it on top of the flan dish like so. In a quick and controlled motion, flip the flan over and serve to eat. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try out this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this week's video, and if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.